Good morning everyone, I'm Yancy Rimando. I'm cooking the tiger skin egg. Do you want to see the cooking that? Let's go. Now, this is my recipe for egg, ginger, garlic, onion, and ceiling green. And after that, tokwa, ribisco, crackers, dalawa, 2, and ketchup, Mamacita, oyster sauce, and magic syrup. Now, and cook. Now I'm cooking that. Let's go. Now is the oil is 1 minute, and first egg. Then after state of the egg, you with the red. Okay? You see that the red egg? You see that the red egg? You get the onion. Come up now. Garlic. Ano pa ito dyan? Sibuyas, ginger, and ceiling green. Right? You mix. And after that, you get the tokwa. You mix and
Hello.
you cook the 10 minutes. You takip there. Now, see that the cooking after 10 minutes, you get the Coca-Cola. The ribisco crackers. You both of them? See that? And Mamacita oyster sauce. And ketchup. And magic syrup. Alright? After that, you mix. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I will get the toyo. The pahabol. Yan, okay. You mix. and 1 cup water. You mix again. Now, after 5 minutes, it's there. Ready to serve to ulam and pulut. Pwedeng papulutan. Ulam. Okay. Cooking say is tiger skin egg. Now I taste that. You video me? Video? Okay. I'm see? Okay. I taste that. So delicious. Very nice.
Sana.
Try that. Cooking me. You try your house, okay? And thank you very much to watching me.